Making money from YouTube can be a lucrative endeavor if done correctly. Here's a detailed and long video on how to make money from YouTube. Find your niche. The first step to making money from YouTube is to find a niche that you are passionate about and can create content on. Some popular niches on YouTube include lifestyle, beauty, gaming, and tech. Create engaging content. Once you have identified your niche, the next step is to create engaging content that people will want to watch. You need to produce high-quality videos that are both informative and entertaining. Build your audience. Building your audience is key to making money on YouTube. You need to promote your channel and engage with your viewers to build a loyal following. You can do this by responding to comments, collaborating with other YouTubers, and promoting your videos on social media. Monetize your videos. Once you have built a sizable following, you can start monetizing your videos. YouTube offers several ways to make money from your videos, including A. Advertising revenue. You can earn money from advertisements that play before, during, or after your videos. To be eligible for advertising revenue, your channel needs to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months. B. Sponsorships. You can also earn money by partnering with brands and promoting their products in your videos. Make sure to disclose any sponsored content to your audience. C. Merchandise sales. If you have a strong brand and following, you can sell merchandise such as t-shirts, hats, and mugs with your logo or catchphrase on them. D. Super chat and super stickers. These features allow your viewers to pay to have their messages highlighted in the live chat during your videos. Optimize your channel. To maximize your earnings, you need to optimize your channel for search engines. This includes optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags to make it easier for people to find your content. You should also create playlists and organize your videos into categories to make it easier for viewers to navigate your channel. Analyze your metrics. To grow your channel and increase your earnings, you need to analyze your metrics. YouTube Analytics provides insights into your audience demographics, watch time, and engagement, which can help you create more targeted content and optimize your monetization strategies. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to building a successful YouTube channel. You need to publish new videos regularly and engage with your audience to keep them coming back for more. In summary, making money from YouTube requires hard work, dedication, and creativity. By finding your niche, creating engaging content, building your audience, and monetizing your videos, you can turn your YouTube channel into a profitable business. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more informative videos.